In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to work a heel raise with a resistance band as well. So with the resistance bands, you can get them in all types of different strengths. The colors can be different because different companies use different colors. So make sure that you start off with something that's challenging, but not too challenging where your knees are buckling in or you're unable to do the movement with good form. So when you've got the band, you're going to pop the band on. You can either do this seated when you pop the band on, or alternatively, you can do it standing like I am. And you're going to pop the band just below the knee. Now, two things here. The resistance of the band, so the heavier resistance I pick, and also the more I come out with the feet directly impacts this exercise and how hard it's going to be, right? So start off with hip width apart. You're going to notice if you've got a strong enough band that you're almost going to want to be pulled in a little bit. And now it's going to be the glutes' job to try to bring those knees out so they're directly in line with the ankle and also the midline of the foot as well. So when you look down, you want to see a nice direction between where the middle of the knee is straight down to where your ankle is. We don't want it to be in this position, and we don't want it to be too far where we're starting to lift up the inner side here of the foot. Once you've got that nice foot position where you feel nice and even, you're then going to come straight up into your calf raise. Before you do, you're going to brace your core, squeeze your glutes, hands to your sides, chest up, and you're looking forwards as well. You're going to come up, squeezing through the calves. I'm up here onto my forefoot and toes, slowly back down, squeezing, and slowly back down. If you find that the band's wanting to pull you in, what you're going to have to do is consciously try and think as you come up about keeping those knees into the midline. And this is where it's a good idea to have something like a mirror in front of you. So as you're raising up, you've got that feedback where you can see how the knee is tracking. That is how to work your heel raises with a band.